how to upgrade the firmware of Wi-Fi switches using the eWeLink application. So start that application. I have 3 switches introduced here, this, that and that one. If I tap on the first one, let's see on the text, up here it doesn't mention anything, and I can go to the 3 dots and here is the current version. It says latest version. You can tap on that and that is checking the version. So let's go back again, go to the next one. In the same manner, it's not displaying anything. Back, and the third one was not updated, so if I tap on that, it says new firmware available. Open device settings to update it. Tapping here is not doing anything, but there at the 3 dots, and current version 368, and we have a 381. So tap on that, the entire line, general performance improvements and bug fixes, and here we have the update button, firmware update. So this is writing into the Wi-Fi switch itself, firmware update will restart device, continue, confirm or cancel. So let's confirm it. Currently they are not in use. Now it is being upgraded. That's in a different city. That Wi-Fi switch which is being updated, it's in a different city. So I'm upgrading it from my phone from one location and the switch is in a different location. And since there is internet access, the software is being upgraded in that switch. Let's wait until this finishes. It should display a message somewhere down here. Device, okay, I have to read it. But if I tap on it, now it's not doing anything because it has the latest version. So that's how to upgrade the firmware of Wi-Fi switches using this eWeLink application on an Android phone. If I start it again, if I tap on it again, now it's not showing anything up there. It's a son of. Tap on the second one, letter I, brand info, son of, and the first one is different. This does not have that letter I.